Last time we talked about how did the Earth form? Where did the water come from? And this time we're going to learn about the origin of life. According to scientists' research, discover life on Earth started 3.80 billion years ago. And these earliest life forms? How did it come about? It remains a mystery to this day. Just a guess? It could be a combination of chemicals in hot vents on the ocean floor. Then the earliest life forms formed. At first, these are the most primitive single-celled forms of life. Later, through continuous evolution, the original life. About 3.50 billion years ago, the Earth is covered by prokaryotic cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria were the first organisms to photosynthesize. It soaks up carbon dioxide, or photosynthesis releases oxygen. Over the next 11 years, the Earth's oxygen content continues to increase. About 2.50 billion years ago, Earth undergoes a major oxidation event. The Earth was full of oxygen. However, as the Earth's oxygen increases, reduction of carbon dioxide. At this time, the temperature of the Earth is getting colder and colder, and that's because there's no carbon dioxide. The greenhouse effect make the ground. The ball cannot be kept warm. About 2.40 billion years ago, the Earth entered the first ice age. The entire surface is almost frozen over. The thickness of the ice wall reaches thousands, and this process has been going on for tens of thousands of years. About 23.51 years ago, because it has been frozen for a long time, ground boxes are becoming more active. The Earth began to erupt massive volcanic eruptions and releases a lot of carbon dioxide. As the temperature rises, about 15 million years later, the ice is melting, and the plates start to drift. About 1.80 billion years ago, a supercontinent formed. This supercontinent is called the Columbian supercontinent. And under the sea, life continues to evolve. They went from fate and life to truth and life. About 540 million years ago, all kinds of creatures appeared. Wrist unlocked, amputation bamboo, and so on. The classic example is the trilobite. Strange shrimp. The ocean floor is teeming with life. This is what's called an explosion of life. Cold weapon, explosion of life. It is also the beginning of the manifestation mantra.